Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Craig Howard at the Happy Camper RV Superstore in Idaho. Today we're going to take a look at a Forest River Flagstaff Shamrock 21SS model. This is a hybrid style camper. As you can see, we've got hard fiberglass sides, but on the front and back, there's the expandable portion. These things are super high quality. You can see a power tongue jack right there, comes on them standard. There's a battery disconnect we're looking at. Check out those sharp frameless windows. The graphics look awesome this year. The 21SS model is our best selling in the Shamrock line. It's right in the middle of their lineup as far as size goes, so it fits a lot of people's needs really well. They've got one model that's smaller and several that are a little bit bigger than this. But you'll see when we go inside how this accommodates for a lot of people. Right there, we're looking at an outdoor shower and the water heater. These come with this hitch on there from the factory. That'll hold up to 300 pounds. Here's some water connections and also your cable and satellite connection. One thing Flagstaff is known for is these big, long, full-length awnings. This is the mechanism that locks the pop-out portion. And like almost every Flagstaff, this is supported on the Dexter torsion axle. They call it a Torflex. Comes with really nice rims and tires. Okay, this is really cool right here. That black line that you see, that's actually a rail that a couple of different accessories can clip on. It comes with a griddle, a flat top griddle. You can also get a barbecue style or a 2-burner style that will clip on there. There's a propane connection right down at the bottom. And then just a second ago, we saw the outdoor speakers. They're hooked right up to the stereo inside. What do you think of this? Pretty beautiful finishes inside, right? So you remember there's that pop-out portion right there. There's also one in the very back. A big, basically full-length slide just to the right of where we're at now, with a dinette and a couch in there. And then right here is the back pop-out section. What do you think of that bathroom? Pretty spacious, right? This is only a 21-foot camper, but look how spacious it is inside here. So this is neat. Right behind that housing there, you can't see it, but there's a gas strut that's hooked up to the steps. Makes it really easy to lift. Even a child could do it. Those steps are kind of heavy, but with the strut assist there, really easy to lift up and pull down. We're going to peek at all the storage in this. You'll be amazed at how much there is in such a small camper. This compartment right here has access hatches from the outside. And we can see an inverter right there that comes on this standard. There's the on-off switch for the inverter, a 110 outlet. You've got some 12-volt USB outlets. Taking a look at the dinette right there. That, of course, folds down into a bed. Great storage underneath the seats. In this one, there's some goodies. So this little unit's cool. It clips on the bar here. And I apologize, I'm doing this one-handed, kind of holding the camera in the other hand. So it's a little bit awkward. That unit plugs in right here. And then it can hang on this support right here. So you've got light and also a fan right there in your sleeping area. Those are pretty handy. But wait, there's more. So this right here is a thermostat. Couldn't quite get it out of that packaging with one hand. I was trying to show you here the adjustability on it. And what that does, it hooks up to your 110 outlet down there and then into the mattress right here. So you've got a heated mattress. Very cool if you've got hookups, if you've got 110 power available. Very cool feature. Some nice reading lights right here. There's also a USB connection to that. And then this little love seat makes down into a bed. Kind of a hide-a-bed style here. A little bit nicer and more spacious than the jackknife. And again, I apologize for the awkwardness of this video. I'm holding my camera in one hand. But it's also cool. It shows how easy it is to set this up. That folds out. This back panel is going to fold down. And it's got a bed that even an adult can sleep on. I've had the chance to take one of this model out camping before. We actually had 8 adults in there. It was Grandma and Grandpa right here sleeping on the fold-out hide-a-bed. It was a little bit cramped, but we did it. We had a lot of fun too. All right, let's see what we got in the kitchen. So that's a Dometic gas electric fridge. We'll come back to that, but check out all the storage space. Really high-end oven and range here. Now, what I'm pointing at right here, that's actually a knife block. I don't think a lot of people, even that own these, realize that. Pretty cool feature. And a really big oven. Got some storage underneath the sink here. And here's a look at that refrigerator and freezer. Some of the TV accessories right there. For that TV we just saw. That's kind of the owner's packet here in this brown little envelope. A lot of your owner's manuals for the different appliances and all the components on the camper. Here's a few more things in the fridge. That is the propane line for your outside griddle. It's a cool water filter it comes with. Even a spatula. And then this is really neat. This is a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. Put that little monitor in the cab of your vehicle and you can keep an eye out on your tires on your trailer. Hanger up in the top of that for a wardrobe. And then you've got a nice big space back here. Kind of hard to see, but it's pretty big. And then there's a hatch right there that leads to the back of the camper. Again, we see a 110 outlet, USB right there. That's also, that's got USB-C on it, which is becoming popular now. And that right there, the power source for the light and fan like we saw on the front bed. Nice little curtain you can draw right here for a little bit of privacy. And also some great storage above these beds. Just like that in the front as well. There's the AC unit. And it's ducted. You can see that with that vent right there, and there's a few more throughout. Help cool this down nice and evenly. And really nice fans on those vents. On top of that vent is the Max Air vent cover, which is really cool. It allows you to keep the vent cover open if you've got some rain or some wind, even while you're driving down the road. Those right there are vents for the furnace. Okay, checking out the bathroom here. Really nice corner shower. Trimmed out really nice. All that, you got some storage pouches up there for your toiletries. That device that we just saw right there is called a shower miser. Helps you to save water while you're waiting for your water heater to heat up. Actually, while you're waiting for water from the heater to get to that line. But it ultimately helps you save water when you're out camping. Medicine cabinet there. A little bit of storage under this sink. And plenty right here as well. And of course, a really high quality toilet. Okay, my friends, we're coming to an end here. What did you see that you liked on this camper? Could you imagine yourself taking this out for a fun weekend? Don't forget, this is a Shamrock 21SS at Happy Camper RV Superstore in Idaho. One of the coolest campers you'll ever see. I hope we get a chance to meet and show you this in person someday. Come check it out.